guess what? It is my favorite time of the month. Today I have so much exciting news to tell you guys. My eyes are watering. I am legit so excited. Okay, first chain of good news is, guess what? I'm gonna take it off real quick, but I did my Quirky Crate jacket, remember? Also, I'm gonna have lipstick on my teeth like a lot in this video, so enjoy that extra spice. But I finally made my Quirky Crate jacket and I took some of your guys' advice, and yeah, so here is all of the pins and fun stuff that I've collected from my Quirky Crate subscription, and it's all in my jacket. So yes, I'm so excited about this, and every time we have a Quirky Crate unboxing, I'm going to wear this jacket. It is the official jacket of our Quirky Crate unboxing. So I have worn this jacket around so much. I love this jacket so much. I just feel like so complete with this on. I just feel so hype. Okay, the second piece of good news that I have to share with you guys, you have to guess. I want to see your guesses in the comment section down below, but I have teamed up with Quirky Crate and we're giving away a May Quirky Crate box, and I'm so excited to be able to give one of these boxes away to you guys. Literally, this box brings me such a crazy amount of joy, and I want to be able to give that joy to somebody else. So if you want to enter in the giveaway, I have all of the rules and the link to enter in the comment section down below and in my description box. So if you want a chance to win and earn a free Quirky Crate May box, go sign up and use the link that I have down below to enter. Last but not least, this isn't just any regular Quirky Crate unboxing. While I have the April Quirky Crate right here in my hand, I thought, I read a lot of your comments. Again, this is like legit, like you can see the passion in my eyes. This is my favorite subscription ever, ever, ever. But I understand that $40 a month might be a little pricey for some people, so I decided to also get Quirky Crate Post. We're gonna be unboxing, well, I don't know which one to unbox first. Oh, no, I'm gonna unbox the big box first, but if you just wanna like real quick little preview of both subscriptions, this is $40 a month, including shipping. I don't remember like how it breaks down. I think it's $32 with like $8 shipping. And this is $12.95 a month. In it, you get a piece of flair, you get, I think you get a pair of socks, and then you get like a random item from the big subscription in every month. So like everything inside of this box is going to be something in here. So with all of that said, I literally just got this. I even have scissors right here in my hands. Okay, it's gonna get crazy up in here. I'm gonna cut this open and not cut myself. Also, so while I'm trying to cut this open, I'm gonna share some fun facts about Quirky Crate with you guys. So basically, Quirky Crate picks an artist every month to design the exterior of their box, and the artist that designed this box is also featured on the inside. They have a little card. So not only are you getting like cool like quirky stuff like flair, I've gotten a bunch of pens, and I've gotten notebooks, I've gotten hats. I get every month you get a freaking cool purse. I love Betsy Johnson. She is my favorite designer, and the purses that I get in here are very quirky and unique, like the purses that Betsy Johnson sells are. Does that make sense? But you get a purse every month. I've gotten socks. I've gotten so much cool stuff. So I'm gonna shut up now and we're gonna open this box. Okay, it says, yes, hey girl, treat your quirky self. Yes, oh my gosh, guys, today is Wednesday. Friday is my birthday. I'm gonna be turning 21 and I'm excited. I'm so excited. It's like the best birthday present ever. Okay, here's the designer for this month. It says Mary Kate Thurman. Smarty Pants Paper Co. is all about bright colors, bold graphics, and vintage style. I'm gonna stop reading because I already saw on Instagram. I follow Quirky Crate on Instagram, and I saw what I think is this month's purse, and I don't know. Okay, here's a quick peek. Here's a quick peek of everything. The first thing I'm gonna be pulling out are these really pretty socks. They're tulips, and they're so soft. That is perfect for spring. Super stretchy and super thick. Also, love that green color. That is so pretty. Okay, yay to socks. I can't wait to see what else. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this an umbrella? Oh my gosh. I know it's really bad luck to open an umbrella inside, but anything rainbow fights against bad luck, and I'm so excited. How do I open an umbrella? Alexa, how do I open an umbrella? I can't remember. It's been so long. Oh my gosh, this is no regular umbrella. How do I show this to you guys? How do I... It's like, oh my god, is this like a beach umbrella? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. At first I was like, oh my god, is it bent? Oh no. And then I realized, no, the entire umbrella is bent like this on purpose. Okay, hold on, here. Boom. Does that give you a better understanding of what? I've never had an umbrella that does that. Oh my gosh, it was like, it'll hold all of the rain. Oh, will that make it heavy? I don't know, but that's really, really exciting. I've never seen an umbrella like that. Oh my gosh, okay. That is so fun. That probably gives you like a little bit of a better understanding. Never have I gotten an umbrella from Quirky Crate. Okay, okay. The next piece of flair that I got is grow through what you go through, and it's a freaking frockin' succulent patch. I was gonna say piece of flair, but it's an actually patch. And the patch says grow, and that's just amazing. I don't know where to put that, but I love that. And I also love the saying too. I love it, love it. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out, ooh, that's fun. That's very different. Is this, I'm trying to figure out how to open it. Is this, it looks like a bandana. It's got all these, oh, it's so soft. Oh my gosh, look how cute this cloth is. Okay, I don't know if it's supposed to be a bandana or if it's just a cloth. Can you guys see that? Okay, yeah. Oh my gosh, I love the like spring colors that we're getting in this box. That's so fun. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is this purse. I was so excited when I saw it on Instagram, and now that I have it in here, oh my god. Okay, hold on. There's like a story. I want to tell a little bit of a story with this. If you don't know anything about me, hi, I'm Elizabeth. I am a freelance writer, and literally like that's my job. I just write and I get paid to write. And look, this purse is literally a perfect fit for me. It says dear up top, and then it's got all these little keys. The keys aren't textured, but this part right here is a little bit raised. That is literally, it's so perfect for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try to open it up, and we're gonna see if there's anything on the inside. Nope, just a regular purse, but that is, it's so different than all their other purses that they send, and this, I don't know, I just feel like this is like a perfect match for me. Plus, most of their purses only come with this like plain chain, but this actually has this like red strap on it, and it came with a chain on it, which normally I normally have to put on the chain, so yes, super stoked about this. And there's only 2 more things left in this box. The next thing that I am pulling out is this gnome washi tape. Oh my gosh. That literally is so cute. It says gnome washi tape acid free from Smarty Pants Paper Co., the artist that we saw on the card. This is so fun. And then the very last thing that I received in my April Quirky Crate box is this Rainbow Chaser. Oh, we're gonna put it on the jacket together. Oh, I don't know where to put it. I don't know where to put it, guys. Should I put it here? Yeah, I'm gonna put it right there. Yeah, this is super duper cute. I can't wait to see what we got in the small box. I hope it's like these small little pieces, but this is cute. So this one's purse is on the back of this card, so it's a little hard to avoid it, but overall I freaking love Quirky Crate. This box was, it was very different than a lot of the other boxes they sent. I absolutely love the patch that I got this month. Oh my gosh, that was so fun. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna read the value of this entire box, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna unbox Quirky Crate Post. The Rainbow Chaser enamel pin was $10. The typewriter purse is $32. The rainbow umbrella is $22. The tulip socks was $8. The Smarty Pants Paper Co. gnome washi tape was $4. The grow patch was $5. The little succulent piece of flair, and the tropical bird scarf, oh my gosh, hold up, okay, was $12.50 with a total value of $93.50. And I'm so excited because Quirky Crate has been asking for inspiration for like other boxes, so I'm like, oh my gosh, I really hope they do a music one. That would be so fun. I feel like an absolute cutie pie. This is so different for me. I don't really know, like I tried putting it in my hair because I was like, oh, I can do a bandana, right? That's easy. No, it's not. I lack any sort of hair skill whatsoever. Yes, this is such a different look. Heck yes, Quirky Crate. Oh my god. I wish I could see like, I wish I could have like a bird just like hanging out right there. Yes, look at me, surfing looks. Oh, Ooh, call Vogue. Tell them I'm ready. Okay, wait, so before I go off on like a whole nother tangent about how hype I am about the scarf, because when they said scarf, I was like, wait, that's not a scarf. And then I was like, wait, infinity scarves aren't the only type of scarf out there. And so I was like, oh, Freddy from Scooby-Doo. And that's what I think that they mean by scarf. I don't know. I know I could also put it in my hair and do something super cute with it. Could I? Let's watch. Ooh. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Maybe my noggin is a little too big. Ooh, I don't know. This is the first time I've ever attempted to do anything like this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I am so cute. I don't even want to know what the back of my hair looks like. That's probably like a hot mess. But up close and like up front, hey, what's up? Okay, before I go off, I really am gonna go off. Okay, hold on. Wait, maybe I should loosen it so it'll like stay on my head. Okay, I'm gonna stop fiddling with it. Does that sound like a plan? Okay, so let's unbox Quirky Crate Post. So Quirky Crate Post is $12.95 a month. In it, you get 3 items. I was a little bit surprised. Don't ever point scissors at yourself. That was a really dumb move. So sorry. So Quirky Crate Post is gonna have 3 items in it inside of that month's box. So it's gonna have 3 items inside that was also included in the April box. The only thing I was surprised about is that the box is not the same pattern as the April box is, but honestly, whatever, because I love that so much. Okay, so I should really get like child safety scissors. Do not trust me with like adult scissors. Do not trust me with adult scissors. Okay, boom. Super cute. Okay, so I'm opening it up and I see pink tissue paper. Ooh, okay. So, in here we have the Rainbow Chaser pin. We also have the tulip socks. And then I have a mystery item in here. Wait a second. This is different than anything else I've been missing out the entire time. Okay, so this is in this like pink little bag and I'm gonna open it up and look at the ice cream keychain. Yo, that's so fun. I just flipped out about that. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I wish I could drive because then I could like put this on my keys and be like, and my cute little, oof, it's falling off. My hair is just gonna keep looking worse, but it's okay. But I think I could probably put this on like wallet. I don't know. I can figure out. This is so cute. Plus it's purple. Also, I literally forgot to tell you guys, I dyed my hair purple finally. Like, woo. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of starting to wash out. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put in a different color purple, but we're still sticking with the purple because I finally got it. But boom. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Let's try this again. So that is everything that I got in my April Quirky Crate and my April Quirky Crate Post, which I am super duper excited about. This didn't come with a card to like let you know the value of everything, but I'm so mad that I didn't sign up for Quirky Crate Post sooner because I didn't know that you would get like a different item in there. That's like I'm so hype about that. But in Quirky Crate, my favorite items were this scarf, the typewriter purse, and the succulent patch. And this was obviously my favorite thing in a Quirky Crate Post because it was the only thing that was different. But that is everything that I received in my 2 Quirky Crate boxes. If you want a chance to go win a May Quirky Crate box, go click on the link in the comment section down below to enter yourself in the giveaway. I cannot wait to start reading your guys' fan mail. I can't wait to be your guys' pen pal. I am so excited for all of the changes that are coming. What was your favorite part of Quirky Crate and what was your favorite item in Quirky Crate Post? Which subscription did you like better? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much and I will see you in my next video.